Court Uncut, what the people want.
On the record in the state of Michigan versus William Krosky, 2503437FY.
Ross Marchvino for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jacob Sarts, the fourth Assistant Public Defender here on behalf of Mr. Krosky. He's present at council table. He's standing to my left.
Okay. And you are William Krosky.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Today's the date for probable cause conference. We have a preliminary exam in this case. Well, this says the preliminary is set for December 4. That doesn't sound right.
Not correct.
For some reason, let me look at the notice here. Yeah, the
So it's
notice
December 4 in our system too. That's
at 8:30. I don't know why it worked out that way, but since today's Friday, that's 14 days out. Maybe 15 days. I'm sure your subpoenas went out for December 4, if I'm guessing.
That's the information we have in our system as well, Your Honor.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. The attorney wants to talk to him, okay? Hold on a second.
Thank you.
Why I get miffed when people yell in the middle of hearings. Okay. Sorry. All right, so we're planning for a prelim on December 4. Are we intending to hold that prelim?
yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are there other matters we need to address for the record today?
Yes, Your Honor. The people would like to address bond.
Go ahead.
As I noted in the email earlier, we do have evidence that upon being arrested, between being arrested and bonding out, the defendant called the victim in this case 21 times, 19 times in LPD lockup, and then 2 more in the county jail. It appears as though he got to lockup and just kept calling her until she answered. We do have 2 calls in which he connected. I had not had an opportunity to listen to those calls yet. We do have a detective assigned to drop a violation report that should be dropping soon. I'll be in touch with her today about the status of that. This is a very serious assaultive case. When they got to this victim, she was drifting in and out of consciousness. I have pictures here of a gash on her head from, it appears as though he struck her with some kind of object. There's going to be evidence that he might have hit her with a hammer. And so I am going to request that at this time the defendant be remanded. If the paperwork is filed in time, it could be possible to set this for a contempt hearing next week potentially, but there is going to be contempt paperwork filed, and I do believe that we'll be able to meet our burden to establish contempt of court. And I would ask that at this time the defendant be remanded pending all of this.
Mr. Sarts, have you had an opportunity to review the allegations?
In terms of the allegations, in terms of the case, yes, of course, Your Honor. We've had a chance to review the discovery. In terms of the allegations made by Mr. Marchmina specifically, the extent of any discovery I have would just be that initial email. I have not received these alleged jail calls. Certainly, Mr. Krosky posted a very significant cash surety bond here. Respectfully, in the interests of due process for Mr. Krosky, I would simply request that this be held in abeyance for now and until the prosecutor files the paperwork or there is additional discovery on their end. Of course, Mr. Krosky is going to deny the accusations for today's proceedings. I anticipate, Your Honor, that we would need to request a formal hearing on the allegations, and certainly we have a preliminary examination date, and that would be a good date to potentially resolve the matter. At this point, Your Honor, I don't have any of these alleged calls. So I would respectfully request that we hold any further proceedings in abeyance for now. Mr. Krosky posted a very significant cash surety bond here. He's been reporting to pretrial services. Respectfully, Your Honor, I request that we hold off until the preliminary examination. Thank you.
So Regina, I'm gonna guess you don't have anything to show me today in support of your allegations.
No, because the detective was assigned yesterday afternoon. I did have Mr. Pfeiffer pull the calls. Unfortunately, I was not able to listen to them yesterday. So I can give you my word that they exist. I have not had an opportunity to listen to them. The detective was assigned yesterday afternoon, and she will, as soon as possible, will be called into Axon, which will be conveyed to Mr. Sarts. That is true. As of now, we have not been able to get these calls to Mr. Sargent. I have not had an opportunity to listen to the calls, but I can tell you I have seen that he did make 21 calls to the number that has been used to contact her that she gave to the police. And the two of them connected. One of them lasted approximately 6 minutes.
In the interest of balancing public safety and the safety of Ms. Shannon with Mr. Krosky's liberty interest and his the fact that we don't have anything to present before the court today, the bond is going to be amended to house arrest until further order of the court. So Mr. Krosky may remain at home. You may only leave your home for court and to meet with your attorney. So that's it until we can sort this out. This is an alternative to incarceration. So keep that in mind as you make choices. Because if you go running up to Speedway because you want to go get a soda, it's a violation. You go running to McDonald's because you want a hamburger, it's a violation. So home until we can sort this out. Understand?
Yeah.
We're going to get you, I think, amended bond paperwork that we also have to forward to the tether company that reflects the change. Anything else for the record?
Nothing on behalf of the people.
Nothing further from the defense at this time, Your Honor. Mr. Krosky, do you work? You're on?
I
No.
saw that and I made the choice that I made.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
I do not take bond violations lightly. This is me trying to balance the interest of compliance with court orders with Mr. Krosky's liberty interest. Mr. Krosky, a reminder, you have no contact order. If you violate the order of no contact, you could be arrested without a warrant. Your bond could be revoked. You could be in contempt of court, for which you face 93 days in jail and or $7,500 in fines, consecutive to that which you already faced, which means it wouldn't count on this case. In addition, you should understand this order is about you. It's not about her. I don't know what she's doing or if she would, but if she's texting you or calling you, she's allowed to do that. You're the one under a court order. So if you text her back or take her call, you go to jail. She doesn't have authority to grant you permission to violate this court order. So if she invites you to meet up with her and you go, firstly, you violate my house arrest order, but secondly, you'd also be violating the no contact order and you would go back to jail. Understand?
Understood 100%.
All right, we're gonna get you new bond paperwork. Have a seat for a few moments.
Stay home. You're not allowed to work.
I can't go to work.
You cannot
That's what
work.
I said. You can't leave your house.
But,
If you can't understand the phrase, don't leave your house, then I'll put you in jail.
ma'am, I do understand. I was
Then you
just-
can't leave your house.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a seat so we can get that paperwork for you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Kern, are you there?
Shut the fuck up, old bitch. Don't say another fucking word, you stupid bitch. You won't fucking American pedophile that hag. Shut the fuck up and don't talk to me again, bitch.
Oh.
Shut the fuck up before I have somebody find out where you're at.
Oh.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. You don't understand English?
Okay.
He's gonna talk to the
Shut
judge
the
that
fuck
way.
up. Stupid bitch.
So, I don't think we're gonna do this right now, Bridget. I'm in contact with CMH to see, they say he was compliant with his medication and treatment, but obviously he's not doing very well.
Fucking meds that make me impotent.
I'm gonna see if CMH will send somebody to see him.
Stupid bitch.
All right, thanks.
It's making me impotent.
Thank you.
Nothing fucking me more.
Thank you, Mr. Rob.
I don't think so.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.